We make art, we sell art in your face. Hey man, thanks for checking out our video today. Today, I'm gonna be showing how I'm doing shading when it comes to the skin and face. Okay, now we already did a video showing the line art for this picture. We did one for the base colors. We did one for the shading of the clothing, shading of the hair. Now we're gonna be doing shading of the skin. So I wanna show how I'm doing shading and stuff for the skin. It's a nice little time-lapse art process. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before we get into the video, please check out a word from our sponsors, Inyofaceart.com. Make sure you check them out. And hey, I hope you like this video. You already know what it is. In your face. Talk to you later. These shirts were made in the US, which means sizes run true to size, if not slightly bigger. We make art, we sell art. And our shirts range from small to 5XL. So big and tall, we got you covered. We use polyester fleece materials, which means they're very soft and breathable. Love the vibrant colors? Well, don't worry, they don't fade or shrink after washing. Tired of the same old boring images used over and over again? Or just a square image right in the middle of your shirt? Our shirts are custom designed and fully wrapped all the way around. We have sold thousands of orders all over the US to happy customers. So what are you waiting for? Order some of the most amazing, vibrant, and soft t-shirts in the industry today. We make art, we sell art. In your face! hope you guys are getting a lot of good value from this video. But I want to let you know this video is sponsored by Inyoface Art. You can go ahead and hit the link in the description, man. Get you some really dope merch. I drew and designed all this stuff myself. We got many more designs, and I'm working on making a lot more original pieces. So if you want to look something like this, or you want to get something like this, you know, hit that link in the description, man. These do not fade in the wash. They run big. We got big guy sizes. They're very vibrant. They're very soft, colorful, all that stuff. And they all drawn by me, man. So hit me up, man. Link in the description. If you really want to get some heat, you want something different. And if you really want to go different, hold up. Check out our LED bags as well, man. Dope book bags and stuff like that. You can check these out too, man. Customizable. So, you know, rock with your boy, man. It's one way you can support the channel. You already know what it is.